Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with Answer the Public for affiliate content ideas step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to AnswerThePublic.com. Once the website loads, you'll see a search bar in the center of the screen. Type in a keyword or a phrase related to your niche. This could be anything from fitness tips to travel destinations. After entering your search term, click on the green Get Questions button. Wait a moment while Answer the Public generates data. You will see a visual representation of the questions people are asking about your keyword. This includes various categories like what, where, how, and why. Scroll through the results to explore the different questions and phrases. Take note of questions that are relevant to your affiliate content. Next, switch to the Data tab for a more detailed view of the questions. Here, you can see the information in a list format, which might be easier to digest. Look for questions that align with the products or services you promote. Consider mixing in longer tail keywords for more niche content ideas. Once you identify promising questions, jot them down for later use. Now, think about how each question can lead to quality content. You could create blog posts, videos, or social media updates based on these queries. For each question, outline how you can incorporate affiliate products naturally. This could include product reviews, how-to guides, or comparisons. Once you have your content ideas mapped out, brainstorm potential titles. Ensure your titles are engaging and relevant to the questions you've selected. After drafting your titles, plan a content calendar to organize your publishing schedule. Consider the best times to release your content for maximum visibility. Finally, regularly revisit Answer the Public for fresh ideas and trends. This tool is an invaluable resource for ongoing affiliate content strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.